Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Afternoon,
Afternoon, ma'am.
So, how are you all? Now, how many more exams you have? How many more exams you have now?
Two more.
Two more exam. Okay, which are the exams now pending?
Social and literature.
Social and literature. After that, holidays.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, you are going to enjoy
Yes, ma'am. I will go. Ma'am, I will go someplace.
someplace. Okay, so children, we will take some class for some time. Then we will come back. Okay. So, children, chapter 10 we have started before the exam. So, can you tell me what is the chapter 10.1? What is
Ma'am,
chapter
we
10.1?
multiplied fractions.
Multiply fractions.
Subtract mixed fractions.
Add and subtract mixed
Add and
fractions.
mixed fraction.
Okay. So, children, can you tell me what is an improper fraction? Improper. Yes, Simon.
The fractions with the numerator bigger.
Numerator is greater than the denominator.
Denominator.
That is called
Improper
improper
fraction.
fraction. So, what is proper?
The fractions with the numerator lesser than
Less
the
than.
denominator.
Okay. Alok, can you tell me what is a mixed fraction?
Ma'am, the combination of
Hmm.
the whole,
Whole
number
number
and
and
like
fraction. So that combination means one whole number and the other fraction will be a proper fraction. Okay. Proper fraction. Okay. So children, we also learned how to convert mixed fraction
Fractions
into
into improper fractions.
improper. Yes, Adil, can you tell me? Adil. Mixed fraction.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
can you convert into improper?
Ma'am, we should divide.
Mixed
Divide
fraction. Mixed fraction. For example, 1 and 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 is an example for
Ma'am,
mixed
we
fraction.
should multiply the whole with the denominator and multiply that number with the numerator.
Multiply.
Add.
Okay, Agnes, say it's again fluently.
We should
Adil said
multiply.
correctly, but some confusion. Yes.
Ma'am, we should multiply the denominator with the whole number and add it with the numerator.
Numerator. So multiply whole number and the denominator and add the numerator. So children, 1 minute, we are just revising the topics we learned in chapter 10 because we were till these days we were revising chapter 9 and 8. Then we studied only that. So maybe some children, they have forgotten. Yes. Yes, Angelina.
10.2, 15 to 16, 17 and 18. I have not returned.
I think we have completed that.
Yes,
Children.
Ma'am, we have completed it.
Ma'am, I have completed the last questions. Only these 3 questions.
Okay, so you can check in the group. It's I think I have sent already all these questions. Okay. So it is there in the group. Okay. You can complete this in the holidays. Okay. So those children who were not able to complete chapter 10.2, you can complete it during these holidays. Now, okay, so we will continue with the topics what we have learned. So children, please pay attention. What we learned today, we were revising improper fraction means fractions with numerator greater. Yes, numerator will be greater than the denominator. In proper means numerator will be less than denominator. Then mixed fraction. Now we are asking how to convert mixed fraction into improper. So multiply the whole number and the denominator, then add the
Multiply the whole number with the denominator and add with the numerator.
Okay. So now tell me how you can convert improper into mixed fraction.
Ma'am, we divide.
We divide and the quotient will be the
Whole number.
quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator
and
the divisor will be the denominator. Okay, so that we finished. Then we learned addition of
Addition of
addition and
mixed
subtraction of
fraction.
mixed fraction. Addition and subtraction of mixed
Mixed
fraction. So
fraction.
usually we will do mixed fraction. We will convert into improper.
Proper fraction.
Then
then
make the
make the
fractions
denominators
denominator same. That is, make the unlike fractions or unlike
Like.
fractions into like fractions by finding the LCM.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Common denominator we can make. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then addition and subtraction. If
Yes,
it is like fractions, children, we said that
Ma'am,
we
if it
can
is like
subtract and
fraction.
add the whole number part. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If they are like fractions, we used to add the whole numbers, then add the fraction part. That also easy method.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
in 10.2, children, we learned multiply fractions. Multiply fractions. We learned fraction in its lowest term. So what do you mean by
ma'am.
fraction in its lowest term?
It cannot be divided again.
Cannot be divided.
So if the numerator and denominator have only the common factors, will be 1. There
Okay,
will not
ma'am.
be any other common factors. And then we learned how to reduce. We can use which method? Division method or HCF method? Highest common method. If you are by dividing, you can finish that division by within one step. So how to reduce the fraction? We can use division method and HCF method.
HCF
Okay.
method.
Now next one we are going to learn chapter 10.3 today, that is reciprocals of fractions. Reciprocals of fractions. So Agne told me that you are going to help me. Can you say what is a reciprocal?
Upside down of a fraction.
Upside down.
When we flip the fraction.
Okay, so for example, we can say 1 by 7 is 7. You can change the numerator and denominator. So denominator will become the numerator, numerator will be the denominator. That is like,
Denominator.
so how we can say a number or a fraction, which when we will multiply, the product will be 1. For example, 1 by 7 and its reciprocal 7, when you multiply, the product will be 1. Okay. So what is a reciprocal? Who then someone else told me that?
Gaudam.
Yes, Gaudam. What is a reciprocal of a number?
Ma'am, like 7 by 1, like that we will make upside down. Numerator will be the denominator.
Okay, so children, reciprocal, we can also say this multiplicative inverse. What is that? Multiplicative inverse. So when you change the numerator in denominator. So for example, 5. What is the reciprocal of 5? 5 by 1 is the fraction. 5 by 1 is the fraction. 1 by 5. Okay.
1 by
So
5.
5 is an whole number. How you can write this 5 as a fraction? 5 by 1.
5 by 1.
So multiplicative inverse or reciprocal will be 1 by 5. Understood? 1 by 5.
1 by
So children, I will share one video of reciprocal. Please listen carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, please mute yourself. Otherwise, you will not be able to clear the audio. Let me see. Yes, Manu, can you hear the sound and can you see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all the children, please, all of you, please mute your audio and listen carefully.
Reciprocal multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Hello, kids. Today, let us learn a new concept called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. When the product of two fractions or a fraction and a natural number is 1, then one of them is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the other. Consider 1 upon 5 into 5. We know that 1 upon 5 is a fraction and 5 a natural number. We convert 5 into a fraction by writing it as 5 upon 1. Now we multiply 1 upon 5 into 5 upon 1, which is equal to 5 upon 5, that is 1. Thus, we conclude that 1 upon 5
So children, here when you multiply a fraction or a natural number or a fraction or a product of two fractions, the answer will be 1. Okay, the answer will be 1.
5 is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 5. Or we can also say 5 is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 5. Now let us find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a few fractions. Write the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7. We get the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse by exchanging the numbers in the numerator and the denominator. So, we get the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7 as 7 upon 2. 4 upon 9 multiplied by what gives 1? We know that when a fraction is multiplied by its reciprocal, the product obtained is 1. The reciprocal of 4 upon 9 is 9 upon 4. Thus, 4 upon 9 into 9 upon 4 gives 1. Now, let us find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a mixed number. Consider 6 and 3 upon 5. First, we change the mixed number to an improper fraction. We get the fraction as 33 upon 5. Next, we write the multiplicative inverse of the fraction obtained. Multiplicative inverse of 33 upon 5 is 5 upon 33. Thus, the reciprocal of 6 and 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 33. Let us solve one more example of this type. On changing the mixed number to an improper fraction, we obtain 31 upon 6. The multiplicative inverse of 31 upon 6 is 6 upon 31. Thus, the reciprocal of 5 and 1 upon 6 is 6 upon 31, which is the answer. Kids, remember, 1, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. 2, the reciprocal of 0 does not exist.
So children understood what is it?
Yes,
Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you how you can find out the reciprocal of a number? You can exchange the numerator and
Denominator.
Numerator and the
denominator. And how you can find the reciprocal of a mixed number? First, you have to convert them into improper.
fraction. Then split them upside down.
Change the numerator and denominator. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Change the, yes.
Does not exceed.
0 by, because 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 it's not possible. That it's not defined. That's why we cannot find the reciprocal of 0. And what is the reciprocal of 1? Is 1 itself.
itself.
So children, a number and its reciprocal, what will be the product? What will be the product? 1. Understood? Okay. So children, please write down in the rough book. Can you please take out your rough book? I will give you some questions. Okay. Find the reciprocals. Okay, children, find, write down these questions first, then write find the reciprocals. Question number A. Eight by 17. Children, I will write that slash 8 by 17. Don't say the answers louder now. I will ask one by one. 4 by 19. 3 by 11. Next one. Okay, I will ask one by one. Don't say the answers together.
Can I say?
Wait. First, write down the question.
Am I finished?
So let me ask. Let me see. Madhav, all others, please wait. Please be quiet. Okay, Madhav, 8 by 17. What is the reciprocal of 8 by 17? Yes, Anusri. 8 by 17.
17 by 8.
17 by 8. Okay, 17 by 8 is correct answer. Okay, next one, Dia. 4 by 19.
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 19. What is the
19 by
reciprocal?
4.
19 divided by 4.
19 by 4.
Okay, next one, Adil. 3 by 11. 3 by 11. What is the reciprocal? Yes, Adil. Unmute and speak.
11 by 3.
11 by 3. So how you can make the reciprocals?
By change the numerators be the
Change the numerator and denominator. Denominator to
exchange.
Okay. Okay.
Exchange.
Now write down this question. 4 and 1 by 2. 4 and 1 by 2.
Ma'am, did you stop sharing?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, did you stop sharing? Yes.
I am not writing that question in the
2 by 9.
So what's the question?
Reciprocal of 4 and 1 by 2.
4 and 1 by 2. So first what we had to do?
4 and 1 by 7.
Improper fraction.
9 by 2.
Make it to
And 2 by 9.
9 by
2 by 9 is the answer. Yes.
Make it a
answer.
or
Yes,
What's the answer, Richard? What's the answer, Richard?
2 by 9.
2 by 9. Okay.
By 9.
Now all the children, please take out your workbook. Page number
Okay, ma'am.
48.
Page number 48.
48. I will call one by one. Only those persons will read the questions. Okay. Page number 48. Harsha, question number 1.
If 9 into 4 is 36, then 36 divided by 9 is dash.
What's the answer?
4.
4. So children, just division fact we are writing here. 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. Option D.
D.
Okay, option D.
D.
Okay, question number 2, Brightlin.
If 63 divided by 9 equals to 7, then 9 into 7 is
Hmm.
63.
63, yes. B. So the answer is B. So children, from division fact, we are writing now the product, multiplication facts. Okay. Now, next one, Angelina, question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Multiplication and dash are inverse operations.
Yes, multiplication and
Division.
division are inverse operations. Okay. So children, did you get the answers? Option, question number 1, option D, question number 2, option B, question number 3, option A. Okay, Gautam, question number 4.
DBA, right?
Huh?
DBA, right, ma'am?
1 minute, Gautam. Yes, Anthony, which one you are asking?
Ma'am, options are DBA, right?
DBA, okay. Yes. Yes, Gautam, read question number 4.
The only number that does not have a multiple inverse is
Multiplicative inverse.
A. Option A, 0.
0. Okay, we just discussed 0 don't have multiplicative inverse. Why?
Ma'am.
Because 0 can be written as 0 by 1, but 1 by 0, the value, it does not
Value
exist.
does not
Yes,
exist.
Agnay?
Ma'am, for 2, the reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, 1 by 2.
Okay.
Because 2, how we can write that in numbers, children? Like 1, 5, 3, any natural number, how we can write? By
By
denominator 1. The
By
denominator will be 1. So when you do the opposite, 1 will be coming as the numerator 1 by. So for example, 4, how we can write 4 by 1? So what is the reciprocal of 4? 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. So when you multiply 4 into 1 by 4, you will get the product as 1. So any number and its reciprocal when multiplied gives the product as 1. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Angelina. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, I did not understand the way properly. Like 4, 1 by 2, we are getting the as 2 by 9. How would it-
Yes, Angelina.
yes, yes.
Can you say 4 and 1 by 2? Can you make into improper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
4 1 by 2, it is 9 by 2.
9 by 2 is the number. We
Yes.
have to find out the reciprocal of 9 by 2.
So we should make
Change the so if the mixed fraction is given, you have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. After writing the improper fraction, you have to exchange the numerator and denominators. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 9 by 2 will become 2 by 9. So 9 by 2, when you multiply it with 2 by 9, the product will be 1. The answer will be 1. Okay, question number 5, Anusri. Question number 5.
The reciprocal of 1 is 1.
1. Okay. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay, question number 6, John Sebi. Question number 6. John?
Ma'am, what is the
Ma'am,
answer of
fourth
fifth
one is
question,
0,
ma'am?
right?
Ma'am, what is
Fourth
the
one is 0,
answer
right?
of fifth question?
Fifth question.
One,
The reciprocal
option
of
D.
1 is 1.
One.
Option
D.
D.
Fourth one
Option
is
D.
0, right?
Yes, 0. Okay, now all of you please mute Isha. Read question number 6. Listen to the question.
The reciprocal of a mixed fraction is dash fraction.
See, children, 1 minute. Before saying, please understand the question. Reciprocal of a mixed fraction will be before finding the reciprocal, the mixed fraction, when you convert it, will become what?
Proper.
Improper. Okay. So reciprocal of that improper will be always
Proper fraction.
proper fraction. So Isha, tell me the answer now. Reciprocal of a mixed fraction. Children, please mute your audio. Reciprocal of a mixed fraction. What's the answer, Isha?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. That is option B, proper. Okay, children. So first you have to understand the question. The mixed fraction, before finding the reciprocal, you have to convert into improper. So the mixed fraction, how we can write as a fraction? That fraction will be improper. So when you change that numerator and denominator, that improper will become proper. Is that clear? Huh?
What's answer of sixth one?
Sixth one, proper fraction. That's what we are explaining. B, option B. Okay. Now, question number 7, Devak. We will
Ma'am,
do 9
excuse
only.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Melvin.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Melvin.
Ma'am, fourth, ma'am, fifth.
I will send the answers after this class. Okay. We will finish till question number 9 only. After that, children, those who were not able to clearly hear the answers, no, I will send the answer in the WhatsApp, maybe because of network issue. Okay, question number 7, Devak.
The reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction.
Very good. Okay, reciprocal of a proper, when you change the denominator, that denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So it reciprocal of a proper fraction will be improper. Improper fraction. Okay.
Fraction is an improper fraction.
Okay. Now, Ayman, question number 8. Are you there? Okay. So, Adinad, read question number 8.
Fractions are reduced to their lowest terms before finding their
Before finding their reciprocals. Okay, children, write down reciprocals. These fractions are reduced to their lowest terms before finding reciprocals. Daniel and
Ma'am, that question number 8 answer is reciprocal.
reciprocals, question number 8. Children, I will send these notes after this class. Till 9 only we are going to do now. Okay. Now the last question number, that is question number 9. Anthony. Okay, Anthony.
The reciprocal.
Adil, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp now. 7th one is improper. 1 minute, Anthony, 1 minute. Question number 7, the reciprocal of a proper fraction will be improper fraction. And fraction reduced to their lowest terms before finding their reciprocals. Okay, so those who have any problem with the network, I will send this after the
Sixth one.
Sixth one is proper.
Sixth one is proper.
Ninth one
Answer.
Anthony is saying the answer. Yes, Daniel.
Option B. Option B.
The ninth one. The
Question
reciprocal.
number 9. Yes.
The reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6.
Okay, 7 by 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. So what we learned today, this is very easy. Reciprocal. So what is reciprocal? We will change the numerator and denominator. For if you say the number and its reciprocal, the product will be 1.
Ma'am,
Today
can
we
we,
learned what is the reciprocal of 1, the number 1
One
itself,
itself.
ma'am,
and
can we,
reciprocal of
One
0
itself.
does not exist. And what we learned, the reciprocal of an improper fraction will be proper, and reciprocal of proper fraction will be
Proper fraction is
improper.
an improper
Fraction of a
fraction.
mixed
Okay.
fraction is proper.
Okay, so that much only we will do today, and no
And ma'am,
homework. Mm.
once reciprocal is one itself.
Reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So children, so after the holidays, I think Wednesday only you have
Yes, ma'am.
exams. Okay, so we will
Ma'am,
see
till-
after Christmas holidays. So children, enjoy your holiday.
thank you, ma'am. Bye.
But enjoy. Wait. So enjoy your holidays. Have a nice holiday vacation. Short vacation, but you can enjoy. after the
How much days? Ma'am, how much days?
How much
till 28th.
From 23rd, right?
From 23rd, 23rd you have exam.
Yes,
After that, 28th, I think it will reopen.
Okay, ma'am.
In 26, we are going to tour.
Tour, okay. You can go safely, safe trip, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, someone is speaking. Yes, Gautam, did you say something? No. Ananda, did you say something?
Yes.
Yes, Ananda, I didn't hear properly. So Christmas celebration, you can 1 or 2 minutes now you can celebrate. Huh?
Happy
If you want to say some Christmas message or happy Christmas to you want to wish some your friends, you can do it now.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Okay, happy Christmas.
I can show dance it happened.
Okay, children, please wait. Angela wants to show something. Picture or something.
I can show a house that is made to make crib.
Okay.
Happy Christmas. Ma'am, my cousin made.
Oh.
Cousin made. Can I spotlight?
Yes.
Let me see.
Ma'am, I cannot see nothing.
She's going to show. Yes. Beautiful. Your cousin is small or big?
It is little bit big.
Okay, children, did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
shape of a
Yes, ma'am, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, very nice. Door window.
Ma'am, I think so there are 6 windows.
Okay. 6 windows. Okay, children. So you
Stars
started
also
decorating with the stars and all?
Yes, ma'am. Today I will start today.
Ma'am, cancel the spotlight. Ma'am, can you cancel the spotlight?
Yes, I think I cancelled. No?
No.
Okay. Okay. How is it now? Is it okay?
No.
Okay, so children,
Bye, ma'am.
bye. Happy holidays.
Bye, ma'am.
Merry Christmas. Happy
Bye, ma'am.
Happy New Year.